Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you one of the simplest methods to generate money online, and I'll teach you exactly how to do it in this video. What's the method? Find out by watching this video. To start off, let me ask you a simple question. What do you do every day? Do you play games, exercise, relax, work? In this video, we will be using one common thing that we do every day to earn money. I'm sure all of you watch videos online every day on your phones or computers, right? That is exactly what we're going to do today. Using this specific website, I will show you how you can earn money just by watching videos. This is super simple, easy to follow, and beginner friendly, so you don't have to worry about how to do it. Just follow the step-by-step tutorial presented in this video and you will be good to go. Just make sure that you do not miss any important details while watching this video, because if you do, then chances are when you do this method on your own, you won't be successful and you won't earn money from it. So watch carefully. Before I show you how to do it, please leave a comment below and what country you are from. In this way, in the future, I'll be able to create videos specifically for you. Let us know what nation you are from in the comments section down below. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So the website that we will be using today is called Zoombox. This website is completely free to use, secure, and legitimate. You can earn money here just by simply completing some surveys, watching videos, and doing tons of offers. What we will be focusing on today is watching videos, since out of all the methods of earning in this website, this is the easiest and takes less of your time. To give you an overview of what you will be doing, I have separated them into 3 easy steps. Step 1 is sign up on the website and watch videos. Step 2, watch these videos for at least 60 seconds. And step 3, earn points and convert them into real money. See? 3 simple steps that you can do and easily follow. I will be explaining these steps in detail throughout this video. And if you keep watching till the end, I'll be giving you a super secret tip that can help you earn money faster in an efficient way. But before we do that, let's first explore the website. In this section of this website, we can see how this website operates. First, they attract advertisers that want more engagements for their surveys and products. Then Zoombox will recruit suitable members that are willing to do different tasks to increase the engagement of the products and services. Finally, after the members do these tasks, they will be rewarded with cash or gift cards depending on their preference. If we scroll down below, we can see the available gift cards that you can convert your points to. There are a lot of gift cards to choose from, and most of them are from highly reputable companies, so this is totally legit. On this section is the live feed of the website. We can see here people completing tasks in real time and how much they have earned. We can see tons of people using this website right now and earning as we speak. Now, if you still have questions about the website, they have an FAQ section right here which answers common questions asked by thousands of users. So let's get started, shall we? First is create a new account. To do that, it is super simple and easy to do. All you need is to put in your email and password here. And if you do not want to do that, you can sign up using your Facebook or Google account by clicking these icons right here. After you have created an account and logged in, you can now see your dashboard. The dashboard contains all the tools that you need to earn money in Zoombox. You can see all the tasks that you can do and rewards you can redeem and so much more. They also have a leaderboard where you can see how much total earnings people have made using this website. Now that is a lot of money and you can do this too. In the next part of the video, I'll be showing you how to watch videos and earn money, so stay tuned. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. To start, first we need to click on the Watch tab on the left side of your dashboard. You are then presented with two options that you can choose to watch videos. These two options will redirect you to a different website where they will have tons of videos to watch, so just choose either one of them. Once you have chosen, you will be presented with another three options, which are the categories of videos that you would like to watch. They have three categories mainly: food, DIY, and random videos. On the right side of the category, you can see how many points you can earn per video. Once you have decided on the type of videos that you want to watch, just click on it and it will lead you to this page. You will first need to sign up for a different account, which will be linked to your Zoombox account before you can watch videos. This is to ensure that the website can record the videos you watch and give you points depending on how many videos that you have watched. Once you've done that, you can now start watching videos. These videos are refreshed every day, so you do not need to worry about running out of videos to watch. Do you remember the super secret tip that I've mentioned earlier? Well, since you've gone this far in this video, let me tell you this tip. In watching videos, there are ways you can do to make the process faster and earn more points. First, you can do this by opening a bunch of videos on different tabs and let them play. In this way, you can watch tons of videos all at the same time. Just make sure to mute or lower the volume of each video so that you won't be confused, since there will be tons of videos playing all at once. Second, what you can do is lower down the quality of the video. This is perfect for people with bad internet connection, since it will prevent the video from buffering and it will play smoothly. In that way, videos can play continuously without problems and you can earn tons of points. These tips can help you earn more points faster, and in return, you can convert these points into cash or gift cards. If you are tired of watching videos, you can alternatively earn money in different ways. You can complete surveys and do offers. In completing surveys, they usually take around 5 to 10 minutes, and the money that you can earn depends on how long the survey is. The longer the survey, the more money you can earn. In doing offers, you can play games and complete a specific task, and once you do that, you can earn money as well. The money you earn depends on how hard or easy the task is. This is a great alternative if you are bored of watching videos and want to do something different in your spare time. Now, what are you waiting for? Start right away and earn some money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.